Billions of dollars are moving every single day, not in banks, not in gold, but in something you can't see, can't touch, Bitcoin. People are becoming millionaires overnight. Others are losing everything. But for a Muslim, there's a question far more important than profit or loss. Is this wealth halal in the sight of Allah, or is it haram, risking your akhirah for a few digital coins? The truth may not be what you expect. Bitcoin has taken over the world. From Wall Street investors to students in their bedrooms, everyone is talking about it. Some see it as the future of money. Others call it dangerous gambling. But for us as Muslims, the question isn't just, will I get rich? It's, will Allah be pleased with me? Because in Islam, wealth is not just numbers in a wallet. It's an amana trust from Allah, and every single coin we earn will be questioned on the Day of Judgment. So today, let's go deep into this. Is Bitcoin halal or haram? What is Bitcoin? Back in 2009, a brand new kind of money appeared. But here's the twist. Nobody knew who made it. The creator only went by the mysterious name Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike regular money, it wasn't printed by a government or stored in a bank. Instead, it ran on its own network, completely free from any single authority's control. Every transaction was recorded on a giant public record called the blockchain, where anyone can see it. People use it in different ways. Some save it for years, others trade it, and a few even spend it like regular cash. For some, this sounds like financial freedom, but in Islam, freedom must come with responsibility. Islamic principles of halal and haram wealth. Islam teaches us that wealth must be earned through halal means. No cheating, no deceit. Free from riba interest, one of the gravest sins. Free from excessive gharar uncertainty. Gambling like risk is forbidden. Beneficial for society, not harmful or unjust. So, when we ask, is Bitcoin halal? We have to test it against these principles. Scholarly views differing fatwa. Here's where it gets interesting and confusing. Some scholars argue Bitcoin is haram because its price is extremely volatile. It can be used for illegal activities, and it feels like maisir, gambling. Other scholars say Bitcoin can be halal if used as a legitimate currency or asset, as long as it's not for prohibited transactions. They see it like gold, a store of value that can be traded. In 2018, for example, Mufti Taqi Usmani expressed strong caution, calling it speculative. Meanwhile, other scholars in Malaysia and Turkey allowed it under certain conditions. Risks from an Islamic perspective. From a dunya point of view, Bitcoin is risky, but from an Islamic point of view, the danger is even bigger. High volatility can make it gambling-like. Ponzi and scam projects use Bitcoin's name to trick people. Obsession with quick profit can lead to greed, a disease of the heart that the Prophet ﷺ warned against. Possible halal uses of blockchain. We shouldn't ignore that blockchain, the technology behind Bitcoin, has massive potential. It can be used for halal finance, transparent zakat distribution, and avoiding riba-based banking systems. This means the technology is not haram in itself. The halal or haram ruling depends on how we use it. On the Day of Judgment, Allah will not ask you how many bitcoins you mined. He will not ask if you sold at the peak or bought at the dip, but He will ask, how did you earn your wealth and how did you spend it? If your Bitcoin was earned through halal means, free from riba, free from deceit, then it may be just another form of wealth, like gold or silver. But if it was earned through haram ways, then no profit in this world can save you from loss in the akhirah. So, is Bitcoin halal or haram? The answer is, it depends on how you use it, why you use it, and whether you follow Allah's rules in the process. Remember, wealth is a test. Whether it's in coins, cash, or code, it's only worth it if it's pure in the sight of Allah. If this video opened your eyes, click like to support more Islamic knowledge. Share it so your brothers and sisters can protect their akhirah. And don't forget to subscribe, because we're just getting started on this journey of building halal wealth for a halal life.